I'm going to cook a chicken casserole today. For this recipe, I am using some chicken stock, 1 cup. I have some celery, mushrooms, onion, carrot, salt and olive oil, ginger, garlic and tomato paste, and I'm using some mixed herbs and a little bit of pepper. And I'm using 500 grams of chicken. I put that chicken into the microwave to cook 10 minutes and I'm going to mix after. I'm adding some oil into the pan now, just a tiny bit, not much at all. Into the pan, add the onions, ginger and the garlic, and cook this about 5 to 6 minutes until it softens. Once the onion well cooked, I'm going to add the hard vegetables, carrot and the celery, and cook this again about 5 minutes. After cooking the vegetables several minutes, I'm going to add the mushrooms and the mixed spices and the pepper, then the tomato paste. I added the tomato paste and the chicken stock. Now the vegetables are tender, so I am going to add the half cooked chicken into that and mix the chicken well with the vegetables and cook again about 20 minutes. I finished making the chicken casserole and it is really nice with lots of vegetables in it. So I hope you will enjoy this too. Thank you for watching.